I'm Captain Chris Knapp with Blue Water Cruising Boats. Today, we're going to take a look at a 1981 Ocean Alexander Mark I called Bacaruda. Bacaruda and I have kind of a special history because they're owned by friends of ours, and we actually cruised with Bacaruda for one of our seasons in the Bahamas. This is a very, very well set up trawler. Not only is it 50 feet long, it's stabilized, it's a 3-stateroom, 2-head. It's got the fuel-efficient Ford Lehman 120s. It's got all the things you want for a well-traveled ocean-going vessel. This vessel has quite the history. It's been up and down the West Coast, through the Panama Canal, all through the Caribbean. It's been to the Galapagos Islands. It's been to Alaska twice, and it's done the entire Great Loop. So if you want a well-traveled vessel that really is set up to do the long-distance cruising, this is the one for you. Let's jump on board and take a look at her together. One of the nice features on Bacaruda is the side entrance door. So depending on your dock, you can either get on the side or you can get on the swim platform. Let's jump on board and take a look at the bow. One of the really nice features you'll notice about Bacaruda is it's got these full height gunnels. So it's very, very difficult to fall overboard on this boat. You have to try. Come on up, let's take a look at the Portuguese bridge. You just have two 30 amp smart plug cables. Seating along the front here. The main deck of this boat has had all the teak that would originally have come on this boat removed. The bow here has been painted and textured. The rest of the boat features deck-it, which is the nice synthetic foam. You really have a lot of working space on the bow of this boat. You've got plenty of storage for your fenders, access to all your massive cleats, easy access to your electric windlass and anchor. It's a nice space to be able to do what you need to do to operate the vessel. Let's go down the starboard side and take a look at the rest of the outside. You'll see there's your pilot house. Again, great view from that pilot house to be able to see all of this, but still be able to walk and have access all the way around it. Very, very nice feature on this. Let's continue down the side here. The lower decks do have this nice cover, so in inclement weather, you're protected. Have an access door on the starboard side, just like you have on the port. Access to the swim platform is through this other door right here. Step down, you notice they've got a very nice teak swim platform. As we come around here to the cockpit, which is the back of the boat, you'll notice that the deck features deck-it, soft foam decking, which is very nice. And then we do have the double doors leading into the salon. Let's go check out the salon. As you step into the salon, you'll notice just how large and spacious it is. We've got movable chairs here to the port side. And the starboard side, we have an L-shaped settee. It's got storage underneath, along with our Victron control down here, and our inverter is underneath on this side. We've got the beautiful table here. And the really, really nice feature for this boat is going to be the galley-up feature. We've got stand-up full-size fridge freezer. We've got the convection electric toaster oven up there, along with lots and lots of cabinetry, good storage, double stainless steel sink. One of the neat features on this cabinet in this kitchen is these pull-out drawers. So you can access everything very easily. Again, lots of storage in here, full-size fridge freezer. Really, really a nice, when you're cooking, you can be a part of the conversation with everyone that's sitting in the salon. Very nice setup on this boat. The large spacious salon to the galley up here at midship, you have two options. You can go up to the pilot house, or you can go down to the staterooms. Let's start up in the pilot house. In the pilot house, you'll notice you have a great view of everything. It's a wonderful spot to drive this boat from. You've got the updated Simrad electronics that were put in 2021. You've got autopilot. You've got your NAIAD stabilizer control. You've got all your electronics for the whole boat are right here. All the circuit breakers. You got VHF with AIS up over here. And you've got this awesome place to sit and relax while you're underway. You step up, great views all around the boat. So So this pilot house does feature doors on both the port and the starboard side. So you can go out either side, and then you can go forward down to the staterooms. So let's go check that out. As you come down the forward stairs, you're presented with three choices here. We can go to the aft, to the back of the boat. In here, you're going to have your guest cabin. This is going to be a full-size bed. And then you can pass through it, and you're back into the stairs that go to the kitchen, the galley and the salon right there. Right here is where you'll have your washer-dryer combo unit, as well as access to the engine room is right down through here. Let's go back forward on the vessel, and we're going to go to the starboard side and look at the VIP suite. So in the VIP suite, we actually do feature bunk beds. This is a queen on the bottom with a twin on top. This bunk does fold down so that it can be out of the way if you just want the single bed. And then you have access to the day head here, which is a ensuite, but it also has a door so guests can use it without having to go through the bedroom. As we come back to the central hallway here, we're going to go forward, and this boat features a master stateroom in the bow of the boat. So you're able to walk all the way around, get on from both sides, and then you also have your ensuite head in here as well. Let's go up top and check out the Flybridge on this boat. Access to the Flybridge on this boat is here in the cockpit. We're going to go right up this ladder and check it out. First thing you'll notice as you walk up to the Flybridge is going to be the dinghy is stored up here. We've got an electric dinghy davit. One of the neat features on this boat is the cradle actually features a 90-gallon fuel tank, so you can carry lots of fuel for your dinghy as you go. Access to the radar and the solar is provided by this handy ladder up top here. Let's go up top and take a look at the solar panels. As you pan around to the bow of the boat, you're going to see your Flybridge over here. This will be a couple steps up, and up here you've got the most commanding view on the vessel. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour of this Ocean Alexander Mark I. If you have any questions about the vessel or you'd like to set up a private showing, please email me, chrisknapp@bluewatercruising.com. You can also send us a text, give me a call, and we'd love to set up your private tour.